What's going on, YouTube family? Hope you guys have been good and are having a great week as usual. Today's video is going to be a first on this channel. For the first time, we're going to be showing some love to the three stripes. We're going to be talking about some Adidas. In all honesty guys, I haven't purchased anything from Adidas since the Ultra Boost days. One of my favorite times in sneaker culture, by the way. Today I've got to say that I finally caved to the Adidas Samba agenda. These aren't a new release, by the way. They actually released way back in March of 2021. I've just been seeing images of these over IG and they looked insanely clean. Also, these aren't your usual Sambas guys. These are actually the Velo Sambas. Velo means bicycle in French, so that's where the Velosamba name came from. These are actually made for the urban cyclist with some amazing, well thought out design features, which we're gonna get into. I'm not much of a cyclist myself, but the colorway of these is what got me. You guys know how I feel about my cream tones. And yeah, without wasting any more time guys, let's jump right into the styling. We've got 3 ways to style these Adidas Velo Sambas in this beautiful cream colorway, and then we'll get into the details and unboxing towards the end. For look 1, we're going with a simple tote bag and olive combo, switching things up with a darker color palette for look 2, and finally going all out with the cream tones for look 3. For look 1, we're going with some Japanese brands and a tote bag combo. Starting things off with the Sakai silk paisley tee in white, Wacko Maria wool 6-panel cap in black, Comme des Garçons zipper cargo pants in olive, Hidden New York tote bag in a similar shade of olive, and finally the Velo Sambas in cream on feet. Really simple fit paired with some elevated Japanese craftsmanship. Great for the summertime running those errands. I'm really liking the olive and cream tone pairings too. Next up, switching it up with a darker color palette, we've got this cozy brown Wacko Maria and Carhartt collab jumper, Fear of God strap back cap, a cream tee for the layering, oversized AMI cargo pants, and the Velo Sambas. This fit is all about oversized everything while massively prioritizing comfort. The brown and cream on top, perfectly pairing with the cream upper and gumsole on the Sambas. I'm really feeling the Samba and baggy cargo pant combo as well. Lastly, we had to close it up with some cream tones. We've got this ERL corduroy monogram shirt, white COS tank on the inner, Carhartt brown beanie on the top, with some Bottega shades, Carhartt double knee pants in brown, and the Adidas Velo Sambas. A perfect springtime kind of fit. We're going all out with the brown on cream on brown. Brown and cream has always been one of my favorite go-to combos, and this color palette goes absolutely perfectly with the Adidas Velo Sambas. Now, let's get into the details real quick. We've got this clean Adidas grey box. Now getting into the shoe, we've got a lightweight cream leather base, suede on the toe caps, the Adidas 3 stripes on the side in white. These are actually reflective 3M material, great for nighttime cyclists, a thick rubber gumsole, cutout area on the bottom with 2-bolt cleat compatibility for your bikes, more 3M hits on the back for extra safety, the Adidas logo in gold on the tongue area, with a rubber strap too for securing your laces while you're on the bike, and finally, cream laces to finish it off. As for sizing guys, I want to say these Velo Sambas go pretty true to size. Go ahead with your usual Nike size and you should be good with these. My biggest concern with these Velosambas was the cutout 2-bolt cleat area on the bottoms. I kind of thought it would feel weird walking on these, but Adidas has made it clear that these were made for hybrid use, both walking and cycling. They wanted a stylish sneaker that could fulfill both needs for the urban cyclist. Personally, I'd say that you do feel the difference comparing to your regular sneakers. But what I did was to add a simple insole into them, and they feel loads better, way more normal and comfy. If you're looking to pick these up, I'd highly recommend doing the same. I can't wait to bust these out more. They're actually so sleek and super clean looking. Really great shape for an everyday, no-brainer kind of sneaker when you're not too bothered with what to put on. The shape and colorway of these Velosambas are crazy versatile as well. But what do you guys think? Are you guys down with the Samba agenda as well? Anyways, with that being said guys, it's gonna be it for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video and styling. Let me know which is your favorite look. As always guys, if you enjoyed the video, please drop a like, share or comment. It does help me out with the YouTube algorithm. If you enjoyed my content and would like to support me, please hit that subscribe button. Also, if you want more content from me throughout the week, don't forget to check out my Instagram. I'm also on TikTok now, so don't forget to check that out too. And yeah, much love guys. Peace. See you guys again soon.